How to reset your password. Did you forget the password to your account or even your username? Don't fret. Just load the online Efiko page, click on the two lines located at the top right corner of the page. It will drop down some menu options. Click on Log In. It will load the login page. Then click on Forgot Password. It will load the page that you can see now on my screen. You can see some instructions stated here telling you the two options that you have to reset your password. You can either provide your username if you remember it, or provide your email address, the one that you use to register and create your account. I remember my username, so I will provide it in the space for username. It should be in all small alphabets, and then you click search. You should see a notification telling you that if you have provided the correct details, a reset email has been sent to you. Now, go to your email if you provided the correct information and your profile exists. Then the system will search, reset your password, and send you an email just like the one that you can now see on my screen. Click on or copy the reset link here. The reset page will load. Provide your new password, paying attention to the conditions for an acceptable password. Save changes and your password reset is complete.